Yan. So, good morning mga gadgets. Ngayon, i-review natin ay plug and print, copy and scan. The all-new desktop, Deskjet HP Essential Home Printing. So, ito yung kanyang cover. May easy print, scan, copy na siya. Simple step from PC, and then original in quality. Ayan. So, maganda siya para sa mga work from home o sa mga students na mag-print. So, ano ay laman niya? Let's see ito ang box. So far, maganda naman hawakan. So, galing pala siya sa Shopee. Okay, mga kids, be careful using the cutter. Yes, let's go. Unboxing. Oops, there's still a tape in here. So, kasi yung makikita natin sa kanya ay manual. You can see 2300 all-in-one printer series. Mga do's and don'ts. Then, meron tayong plugs. Universal. Then, ito yung sa may below. Then, in cartridges, one for block and one for colored or tricolor. Then, meron tayong ink cartridge. Manual yung ink cartridge. Then, ito na ang ating meron pa dito mga papel. Papers. So, ito yung pinaka-manual. Then, the other thing is all this. This is what you call company notice. So, yeah. The manual, and yes, the box. Dahan-dahan lang sa pag-release. Deskjet. Mas baliktad. Pagod ko na dapat. Ayan. Ayan. So, naka-plastic pa siya. Then, let's open this. So, yan. Dapat yung cutter, pero dahan-dahan lang. Kasi baka ma-damage yung pinaka sabihin ko ano pa tuloy natin siya. So yan, for painting, then for scanning, at yung sa ilagay ng papers. Yan. So mamaya mag-demo na tayo. Ipo-plug lang natin siya. And let's see. Mga gadgets, naka-plug in na siya. So we will turn it on. Ayan. That's when you can see. It means that there's no paper and then there's no ink cartridge. So what we're gonna do is we will put the ink. So we will remove this. See this? We remove this blue thing, security. That's right. Also this. Okay, can you see that? Remove this blue cover. Blue tape for security purposes. Yes. That's right. And then here, just be careful in removing this. Yes. It's a cardboard. Then supposed to say that we suppose that the cartridge will move here. Okay. So as you can see, you have two cartridges, and in this manual, once you plug and then pull the cartridges, you will stick with it. So the black goes in the right one, in the left. The colored goes to the left. So we will unbox the cartridge. Ooh, here it goes. It's the block. It says it's made in Malaysia. Oh, it's a green. It's the colored one. So it's in the left side. Peel it off. Yes, you can see the ticking. And then it's the block. Tear here. Please use original HP cartridge. So let's tear this off. Then here we go. And then for the bond paper, we can put this at the back. So yes, the back here we have the one that you can put up, then slide. So I can print a A4 long bond paper or other types of bond paper. So yes, you can put the bond paper just to show. Okay. I'll put this. On again. It needs no loading. So let's test. Let's test it. That's the print. Let's test this. You can photocopy. Screw the print and close this here and print. Photocopy. Wow, amazing! Snow printing. Shannon! Ready, the printer set up. It's not working. Just close this here before it will work. So peace! So right now, what we're gonna do is we will have a photocopy of the hand of my director, producer, assistant. So let's see. What you're gonna do is press the black one, the X. Yes, that's right. Only one press, and then it will be photocopied. Hold on tight. Let's wait for it. Or maybe press another one. No, yes, the longer one. Okay. That's right. Should press longer one. As for the commentators. There you go. There you go. Let's see the model hand. That's right. That's right. So you can see the real life remembrance. The hand of justice. Let's go. Let's go. Peace. Peace.
Stop.
So you can see.
Paano stop?
Hintayin mo lang yan.
Ay.
Ito siya.
Ito.
From the power. You can see. Yes. Photocopy of the cell phone. Very clear, very nice, awesome.